Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and I have a super nice recipe, which is a cake using apples. I know I've been sharing a lot of recipe using apples or pumpkins, but what can you say when you have apples tree in your backyard? The harvest was abundant and you can make a lot of things from the apples. So today it's apple cake, it's apple layer cake, and it's buttery and it's really nice, and it's not the sweetness is not overwhelmed, and it's, although I mentioned about apple tree in our backyard, this apple cake is not using apples that we harvested, but it's especially using, and the recipe itself need these apples, which is golden apples. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So I have 5 golden apples. They are medium size. We're gonna peel them and we're gonna grate them. Once you grate your apples, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The apple juice is optional. What I love about using golden apples is that they don't brown easily, unlike other types of apples. Then we're gonna add some spices, like a couple drop of nutmeg powder and a couple drop of cinnamon powder and a couple drop of allspice. So you just mix them and set them aside while we prepare for the dough or batter. So for the dry ingredients, this is 450 grams of strong baker's flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of coarse kosher salt. So just mix this. So now we're gonna beat, this is 205 grams of unsalted butter. You can use margarine if you like. As for the sugar, this is 3/4 cup. You can use 1 cup if you like, but this is 3/4 cup. Sweet or not sweet is actually depending on your taste bud. So we're just gonna beat this. So you want to beat the mixture until kind of pale, like so. And then we're gonna beat in 4 eggs. You're gonna crack it one at a time. So we're gonna beat that first. Yep. Go on, get another egg. My little is helping me. You should crack it harder. There you go. And then we're gonna beat it again and repeat this step until all eggs are used up. We're gonna add our dry ingredients a little at a time, alternating with 200 milliliters of milk, a little at a time. So start with the dry ingredients, and you have to finish it with the dry ingredients as well. That the batter is done, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and we're just gonna spoon some of the batter and spread it on this rectangular pan. So we're just gonna spread it evenly. Once you spread half of the batter, now we're gonna spread our filling. Once you lay the filling, we're gonna cover the top with half of the batter. So the batter is pretty thick. What you want is just drop some batter here and there, and then you spread it for easier spreading, like so. Once it's done, we're gonna bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit until in knife. So I think I got cut off. We baked it until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Here's the apple cake.